Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I love this 56 Chevy. It is loaded to the gills. It's a real Bel Air. The list goes on and on. Power brakes, the wire hubcaps, dual spotlights with the mirrors, padded dash, Wonderbar radio, visors, Continental kit, all the extra trim. This thing is decked out. Power windows. And it's an excellent car. It's been the same owner the last 16 years. Had a ground-up restoration. It's beautiful. I drove the car home the other night. It drove great. No issues whatsoever. If you go to volocars.com, you can check out all the pictures top to bottom, read all the specs, and that's where you'll find the prices, not only on this car, but all of our collector cars that we have for sale. If you enjoy watching the videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin in this 56 Bel Air. According to the VIN number, it is a Bel Air. It was built in California. Underneath the car, in my opinion, it's the original floors with the factory undercoat. Undercoat was another option back then. They did have the body off the frame, and the undercoat was then painted with the red oxide. So when you look under there, it has the red oxide floors like the show cars have. The frame itself is smooth black, smooth metal frame. And at the time of restoration, at least 16 years ago, is when the front end was all rebuilt, all the components, the bushings, the fuel system, the brakes, the exhaust, all of that looks like it was redone. Wasn't redone yesterday, but it was redone, and of course it's been kept in a garage since and just well cared for. So I think the underneath is excellent. Colors are great. According to the tag on the cowl, it was born these colors. It's very unusual. I can't say I've seen another one. The body is really straight. Boy, this door fits spot on. It is flush, lines up beautifully. The hood gaps are all real nice. This is all excellent. Fits wonderfully up front here. It's straight everywhere, across the hood, down the sides. Actually, this car is really straight. Now that I'm specifically looking for waves, it is straight. I don't see any bubbles. I don't see any problem areas. Now the paint is really, really good. The gray metal flake is laid out nice. It's not blotchy. It is a nice clear coat finish that's polished out smoothly. As I was checking the car out, I did find a few minor flaws, so I'm telling you right now it's not perfect. I'm trying to find some of those flaws right now. Right back here, two little nicks. It was touched up. The white is a shade or two different. There's a little tiny nick right on the, nope, that wiped off. Little touch up down there. So yeah, if you look for some flaws, you will find some. Here's just a little dimple right there, a tiny one. So a few minor imperfections. I would say it's excellent. Not perfect, but excellent. But look at the accessories. It has a Continental kit. Chrome, or the stainless, I think they're chrome, exhaust extensions. Blue dot tail lights. For those of you that don't remember, that's where fuel goes in a 56 Chevy. It has fender skirts. It has the rocker molding. It has the door handle fingernail guards, which all of this, by the way, is wonderful. All this stainless is shiny and brilliant and straight. It's all in excellent condition, all this stainless. It has the flipper door, or the flipper, that works beautifully. Oh, it's one of those. Shuts wonderfully. Dual mirrors. Now, these are really nice spotlights. You can control them from inside the car. They have mirrors. There's a wiper mark way over here on the edge of the windshield. Otherwise, it's pretty darn clear. When you have the visor, the traffic light used to hang in the middle of the intersection. You couldn't see it. So that's what this is on the dash. It's a viewfinder. You'd look in there and it would show red, yellow, or green when you're sitting at the light. Up front here, you got the center bumper guard, and then you got the bumper guard extensions here. Got these really nice wire basket hubcaps, reproduction white wall tires. The stone shield is an option. The rockets on top of the fenders are an option. Yeah, there's some faint wiper marks here. If I owned the car personally, I wouldn't even do anything about it. They're not bad, but they're there. Flipper works on this side too. That door shuts wonderfully. Door jambs are clean, nice weather strip, nice latches. It has a tissue dispenser under the dash there. Inside the trunk, it's all restored. It's got real nice metal, painted white, a matching white wall tire on a restored rim, restored jack. I'm going to flip this tire back. I don't know if it's going to hit the wall or not. This is really nice in here too. The rubber, the insulation pads, the jack, all of that's really nice. Interior is really nice as well. It's all redone. There's chrome foil on this piping. A little bit of the foil is worn off, but the upholstery itself, seats are nice and tight, and door panels are all excellent. Window cranks and handles are replaced. I drove it home and it was nice. The next morning it was a little chilly, and I noticed all the windows are down. I got to roll them all up. I noticed they were power. Tell you what, all 4 windows went right up. I didn't have to help them or wait. They worked really well. So this has the Blue Flame 140. That's the inline 6-cylinder. These things will run forever. Every component in here has been restored. This was a factory undercoat car. It has the undercoat under the hood. There was like a sound deadener option that they offered. Electric wipers. It has the optional washer bottle. It has an optional oil filter. Yes, an oil filter was an option. It has the power brakes. So the carpet's real nice. It has a padded dash. That's an option. That one fits beautifully. It has a Wonderbar radio. All the trim, steering wheel, levers, everything's very nice. The heater box, the lights work under the dash. I started off the video by saying I drove it, and I don't know what I said, but something to the effect there was 0 issues. It drove really well. I just noticed it's a power seat. I didn't even know that. But anyway, I'm not implying the car is perfect. Maybe the clock doesn't work. I don't think the radio worked. So it drove really, really well. Doesn't mean every single thing on it's perfect. It has the heel pad for the gas pedal. I jumped in here because I'm curious to see if the seat works. Wow, it actually moves really fast. Pretty cool. I didn't even know it had that. Just a nice, nice car. All the components. The engine's beautiful. Oh, it has power steering too on the back of the generator. I didn't see that. Wiring, the hose clamps, the radiator, everything in here is excellent. It's a quality restoration. Batteries bolted down properly. The motor runs smooth as can be. They did put a cherry bomb muffler out of this on a single exhaust, and then it flares off into 2 tips going out the back. Gives it kind of that raspy sound. You can make it sound dead quiet if you just put a regular muffler on it. That's all a matter of preference. The metal trim inside is painted smooth and glossy. See, this car just got better and better as I videoed it. I didn't realize it had power steering or power seat. And it's a high quality car. The fit, finish, function, everything about it is high quality. And this might be the most loaded up 56 Chevy there is. If not, it's one of them. This thing is really loaded to the gills with factory options and accessories. Great colors. So anyway, you can go to volocars.com. I just gave you my impression of this car, but on our website you can find plenty of ways to contact our salesmen. If you have specific concerns or questions, they'd be happy to help you the best they can. They can also get this delivered to your driveway. They can help with financing. That's at volocars.com. If you are interested in just watching our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one we post. Thanks for watching.